To disable Talkback in Realme 16 Pro 5G, first of all, as you can see right here, I don't have Talkback on. I will show you how to disable it, but for the sake of this video, I have it disabled since it's very hard to record a video when this thing keeps speaking over me. So now you will need to open your settings, and if you want to open anything on your phone, you will need to usually tap twice on everything. So it needs to be also fast like this, and then you'll be able to access the settings. Now you can scroll all the way down and click on the accessibility and convenience right here. You should be able to find accessibility on the top. You can go to the vision right here and click on a Talkback. That way you will find a switch that allows you to turn it off. In this case, I'm going to enable it for a second just to show you that you can disable it like that. So
finished reviewing. Finish. Talkback. Allow Android accessibility. Disable Talkback. Talkback off.
And that's how you can navigate in Talkback. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.